Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to organize your apps for maximum productivity. If you've spent more than a minute hunting for this across your home screens, you may want to consider organizing your iPhones for easy access. Here are 7 creative ways to arrange your apps. First, verb-based folders. Second, color coding. Third, alphabetical order. If you find comfort in an A to Z world, this method may be for you. Instead of manually alphabetizing your apps, here's an easier way to sort them on the iPhone. First, launch the Settings app, tap General, and scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset Home Screen Layout. The icons that came with your Apple phone will be placed into their default locations, and your other apps will be sorted alphabetically. And fourth, think about how you hold your phone. If it's easier for you to open an app the perimeter of your phone, then it may be best to place your frequently used apps strategically around the phone's edge. However, if you like to file away apps in folders, this may not be an ideal method for you. Fifth, theme rows. Sixth, frequency of app usage. And the last, emoji folders. If you don't want your emoji to stand alone, an alternative is to mix emoji pictures with words. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.